flies, but where does it go? By your side, I don't need to know. If you're mine, don't care what tomorrow holds.
Hey guys, welcome to Townsville. We're in Paluma National Park. First day out and about here in Townsville. We've just come to Little Crystal Creek. We also intend to get to Big Crystal Creek today and a couple other places to have a look around. Pretty excited. While we're here, we also want to get to Magnetic Island and climb Castle Hill. So
whatever we get up to, we will show you everything.
I can
see the waterfall, so can I.
Again, it's just like Cedar Creek Falls when you come from the car park. It's like maybe what? I'm so bad with distances, but I'll go like...
Call it 100.
I would say 50.
Sleeping in, you make my heart feel young again.
Any good?
Amazing, hey. It's so cool, there's so many rock pools, and I think there's even one where you can climb under the rock, slide down a few rocks. Even the bridge just sets it perfectly. Then it's going for a swim. We're blowing up a floaty where Owen is anyway. And he's gonna float out to the middle of the waterfall.
I know this love will never end. We'll get back all the time we spent. You make my heart feel like paper kites dancing on.
Big Crystal Creek.
Cool, where are we going? We're gonna go down and have a look a little bit further down.
Yeah.
Awesome,
There's
let's
a
go.
couple rapids over there, and then it's calm, and then another set of rapids.
Awesome. How clear it is, it's amazing.
It's a paper tree.
Out of everything here.
400 acres of rocks, one dog shit, and ice lemon.
We can't stop the clock from circling, but I know this love will never end. We'll get back all the time we spent. We can't stop the clock from circling.
It's so cool. I've actually driven a car down here. So then you can set up with a little barbecue and call that for lunch. Have a little day out here. Woo, stunning.
1, 2, 3, jump, go! Train, Vine, go!
You're like right there.
Gotta go and gotta go. This time it happens to be at Big Crystal Creek.
Look at the view, but we are heading to another spot that everyone talks about. Frosty Mango.
Time flies, but where does it go?
Where'd you go, Toad?
I love the lemon.
Lemon. Mint.
I can't live this.
And I've gone the mango smoothie with a cheese pizza.
Like a fruit cheese pizza you are.
Hi guys, we're climbing Castle Hill, and it's 4 kilometers round trip.
Clock from circling, and I know this love will never end.
Hey guys, Owen ran up Castle Hill this morning with his mate Hebe, who we are staying with, and the boys and I walked up it together. Just a little tip, if you do want to enjoy this amazing view on the way up, before you even start, make sure you put on some AeroGuard because we got absolutely hammered by mosquitoes. You can also walk up the road, you can walk up the trail through the bush, the goat track, or you can actually drive up here if you just want to enjoy the view without the exercise. Hey guys, today we are on a magnetic island and we have taken the 20-minute ferry ride over here. The view on the way over was absolutely amazing. When we checked out this island, we knew we had to get a car hire and we saw this little beast and we knew we had to get it. So for $120 a day, we've gotten this. The boys are loving life that they're in a topless car. So today we're going to explore some of the beaches. We're going to go on the Fort Walk, which is apparently may not be open, but hopefully it is because we'll get to see some amazing koalas and to explore some beaches along the way. So come along with us and let's show you the island.
I scream on Sunday morning, stay up all night and sleeping in. You make my
minutes from the marina where we picked up the car, and we are at Picnic Bay, and we literally have the whole beach to ourselves. Crazy.
So we're on Magnetic Island. This is Horseshoe Bay. There's a little netted swimming area here. Boys are having a ball. Probably hear them in the background. Life is good.
Feel like we're on a desert island. We are on an island, but not a deserted one. Look at that.
We'll get back all the time we spend. You make my heart feel like paper kites dancing on the wind. Ice cream on Sunday morning. Stay up all night and sleeping in. You make my heart feel.
So we've heard about rock wallabies. So we drove around the corner where they say that you can see them. Honestly, did not think that it would be this easy to see them, but they are so cute.
There's one hiding.
Obviously wallabies, they're just tiny kangaroos, but they're adorable. Make sure when you come here to see the rock wallabies that you bring some veggies, because they love them. They'll actually come to you and feed out of your hand. And if you come a little bit later in the afternoon, it's a little bit cooler, they will come out of the rocks for you.
Well, there it is, guys. That's a wrap from Magnetic Island. 20 minutes over on the ferry from Townsville. I can't believe in the background is Castle Hill that we climbed yesterday, and now we're over on Magnetic Island looking back at it. It's been an awesome couple of hours here. We've hired a topless car and got around in that. Been over the other side. Horseshoe Bay is amazing. There's a swimming area there with stinger nets and stuff. Come and saw the rock wallabies, and yeah, just had a great day in general, lazing around.
Yeah.
So must do when you're in Townsville. Wasn't too much. I think the family passover was $76. The car was $120, and yeah, we just bought lunch with us and whatever else. So recommended.
Great family day out. See ya.
See you guys.
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe, and we'll make more.
Young again, we'll grow old and our hair will gray, till each smile's a line on her face, in the shape of all the memories that we've made.